Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello, Ghosts! In this video, I will explain how to play Ghost Recon Breakpoint story. To begin your adventure, simply select New Game from the main menu. You'll then choose your preferred difficulty, ranging from easy to extreme, tailoring the challenge to your liking. Next, customize your character's appearance, class, and starting gear before deploying. The captivating narrative unfolds across the vast and diverse island of Oroa, offering countless hours of immersive gameplay. As you delve into Oroa, mastering core gameplay mechanics is crucial. Employ stealth tactics to avoid detection and gain a significant tactical advantage over your adversaries. You'll utilize a wide array of weapons, from powerful assault rifles to precise sniper rifles, adapting to any combat situation. Your drone is an invaluable tool for reconnaissance, marking enemies, and deploying special abilities. Remember to manage your inventory and upgrade your gear consistently to stay ahead. The story progresses through a series of main missions, gradually revealing the overarching narrative and leading you to confront the primary antagonist. Beyond the main campaign, complete numerous side missions and faction missions to earn additional rewards and deepen your understanding of Oroa's lore. Explore the island's diverse biome, from lush forests to treacherous snowy peaks. For an enhanced experience, engage in co-op play with up to 3 friends. To maximize your success on Oroa, prioritize upgrading your gear and skills. This is essential for tackling tougher challenges. Experiment with the various classes and playstyles to discover what best suits your tactical approach. Utilize bivouacs strategically to fast travel across the island, craft essential items, and prepare thoroughly for upcoming missions. Always adapt your strategy based on the specific enemy types you encounter and the prevailing environmental conditions for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.